You know me, right? I am Monami Mukherjee. And if you have ever sat through one of my classes, you already know two things. I love making complicated stuff simple and I hate boring lectures. So this time I'm bringing you something exciting. A crash course on 20th century literary theory that's as fun as it is smart. In just 10 sessions, we're going to break down the ideas of great thinkers like Nietzsche, Freud, Marx, Foucault, Derrida, and yes, even Lacan. Don't worry, I'll explain them without giving you any headache. By the end of the course, you will not only understand these theories, but will also feel confident tackling those tricky questions in NET, SET, or research entrance tests. Oh, and bonus, you will get hands-on experience of applying these theories to texts of your choice. Think of it as your chance to impress anyone at seminars, or at least sound super smart in parties. This isn't just a lecture series. It's more like a guided tour through the wild world of 20th century thought. First, we'll start with the overview of literary theory so that you get the big picture. Then, we'll move on to psychoanalysis, Freud, Jung, Lacan, and Julia Kristeva. Trust me, once you hear about Freud's obsession with dreams and Lacan's cryptic quotes, you won't look at therapy memes the same way again. Next, we'll tackle existentialism and absurdism. Ever wondered why life feels so meaningless sometimes? Blame Nietzsche, Heidegger, Sartre, and Camus. They have got some answers. Or maybe they will leave you with more questions. Either way, it's fascinating. After that, we'll talk Marxism. Not just Karl Marx, but Gramsci and Althusser too. Spoiler alert, it's less about hating capitalism and more about understanding power dynamics. Then we'll move through formalism, structuralism, post-structuralism, and postmodernism. We'll look at Saussure, Barthes, Derrida, Lyotard, Baudrillard. The gang is all here. Don't worry, I'll help you tell them apart. Finally, we'll cover feminism, breaking down the key concepts that define feminist theory today. And guess what? At the end, you'll get to present what you have learned. No pressure, it's your moment to shine. I know life gets busy, so I've kept things flexible. Classes will be taken twice a week from 7:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Perfect for winding down after work or studies. If you miss a live session, don't panic. Recordings will be shared with you to save the day. Plus, we'll have regular MCQ tests based on NET and SET patterns to keep you sharp. Once you complete all the assignments and tests, you get a certificate, proof that you have survived theory classes. This is your chance to level up. Whether you're prepping for exam, trying to beef up your academic profile, or just curious as to how these thinkers shaped the modern and postmodern world, this course is for you. Seats are limited, and 24th March is the last date of enrollment. Don't wait till the last minute. Reserve your spot now. For more info, WhatsApp me at 91635 20212. Will it be fun? Well, you know me, right?